Hi, welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorials. In this video, we are going to talk about activating Responsive Pro on your WordPress website. If you like content in this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you'd like video notifications, click on little bell on the right so that YouTube will prompt you when we upload something new. If you haven't already installed Responsive Pro, you can install it from Plugins, Add New. Please find the link for tutorial in the description box below. Let's start the activation. Once you have installed Responsive Pro, click on Activate License link in the top notification bar of Responsive Pro. You can also go to Activation page from Settings, Responsive Pro Activation. For activation, you need two details from your account: API key and the product ID. Get the API key from your account, API keys, and paste it into API key input box. Similarly, copy the product ID from your account and enter the product ID field. Click on Save Changes button to activate the license. And that's all. You're ready to set up your WordPress website with Responsive Pro. You can see all ready site templates from Appearance Ready Sites. Thanks for watching. Check out the Responsive Pro link in the description box below.